Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to search for a specific movie or TV series in Netflix. Now I'll start off showing you how to do this in Roku or if you're on a streaming device, and then I'll also show you how to do this if you're viewing Netflix on a desktop web browser. So starting off here, what you want to do is find the little search magnifying glass. That's going to be the case whether you're on a streaming device or a web browser. Over on Roku, it's over on the left hand side of the screen, and then go up and click where it says search. So let's say I want to find Inception. So I just start typing in Inception, and there it shows up. So essentially what you're going to want to do is find that little search magnifying glass, click select or OK on it, and then just start typing in the TV series or the movie that you want to look for, and it should show up if it's available through Netflix. So now I'll take you guys over to desktop to show you where the little search icon is if you're watching it through those means. Alright guys, so now I'm logged into my Netflix account over on the desktop web browser, and the little search option is here in the upper right hand corner, the little magnifying glass. Click on it and then start to type in what you're looking for. So again, I'll do Inception, and there it shows up as well. So those are the different ways you go about searching for specific movie titles or TV series in the Netflix either application or the desktop web browser. I hope this video was helpful. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.